Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video we'll take a look on how to install Android P on OnePlus 5, and the same method can be used on any other device having Treble support. And as of now it is only available for devices having single partition, that is A partition. First of all, huge thanks to developers who made it possible, and now we can install Android P on any of our devices. We'll do a complete review about this Android P later. Today in this video I'll only show you how to install it. So guys, this is my OnePlus 5 which is running on latest Oxygen OS, that is open beta, as you can see here, and you need to have few files to install this. So these are the files required. One is the ROM file, that is Moki ROM, no variety zip file. After that you have GSI image which is been ported from Pixel devices. Then you have post GSI, that is post GSI 1, 2 and 3, and also make sure you use the same specific recovery which I have used it in this video. And this method requires your device to be decrypted, so take complete backup of your internal storage or else your data won't be available after installing this. First of all, what you need to do is go to settings, about phone, tap build number 7 times, go to developer option, enable USB debugging, and also make sure your device is unlocked. So my device is already unlocked, I don't have to do it again. I just enabled USB debugging and that's it. So first what we'll do is we'll install TWRP recovery. So for that, power off your device and boot into Fastboot mode. For that, hold volume up and power key together. And once you are in Fastboot mode, as you can see my device is already unlocked. I connect my device to PC. And now I'll open command prompt where I have placed all these files which are required. So in address bar I'll type cmd, hit enter, and now we need to flash the recovery file. So this is a recovery which I'll be using for OnePlus 5. For other devices recovery may vary, so you need to check out which recovery to be used. I'll try to put up all the links inside the description below so you can easily access everything. Now type the command fastboot flash recovery along with the name of recovery. Paste the name .img and hit enter. So now we have TWRP recovery installed on a device. So let's boot a device into recovery mode. So once your device is back into TWRP recovery, first of all make sure you take a complete backup of your device. So I've already taken, I won't be taking it again. And then you need to tap these lines over here. So this will show you whether your device is decrypted or not. So here you can see my device is not decrypted, so I need to decrypt the device first. For that, what I'll do is I'll go to wipe, format data and type yes over here. Now just reboot your recovery once you are done with wiping the complete data. So after your device is back into TWRP recovery, swipe to allow modification, and now you need to tap this and see. As you can see here, my device is no more encrypted. Now I'm ready to install the ROM files. So what I'll do is I'll first copy these files inside the internal storage. So these are the required files. One is the Moki ROM, no variety zip file, GSI image, post GSI 1, post GSI 2 and post GSI 3. I'll copy all these files and place it inside the internal storage. And once you have copied those files, you can find them over here. So first what we have to do is first we need to install the Moki ROM. So this is a base file which we need to install. So let's install Moki ROM. Once Moki ROM is successfully flashed, go back and install the no variety zip file. Then just hit reboot system, complete the initial setup. No need to connect Wi-Fi or add a Google account, just complete the initial setup and we again have to come back to TWRP recovery. So once your device boots into Moki ROM, then just go change the language from here and complete the initial setup. So once it is done, now we'll again power off the device and boot into recovery. So once your device is back into TWRP recovery, what you need to do is first go to wipe and do a factory reset. After that, try to locate those files. If those files are not available, you can again copy them from your system. And then go to mount, select vendor, go back, go to install, select install image and now you need to flash this developer preview GSI image. Select this. Here you need to select system. Swipe to confirm flash. Once this is done, go back, go to install, and now flash this PostGSI. PostGSI 1, PostGSI 2 and PostGSI 3. And that's it, you are done with this. Now just go back and hit reboot system. And as you can see, your device will boot up in somewhere around 3 to 4 minutes. So it will give you an error at initial boot. You can just ignore this. Okay, and that's it, your device boots up into Android P. So let's go to settings, system, about phone, and these are the details. Android version is 9.0 with a security patch of June 5th 2018. Initially your device won't be able to connect to Google Play services. For that, what you have to do is, I'll mention a file in the description below. You can download that file, that's a APK file, and install it manually on the device. So this will be a Google Play services file. Continue and select install. And once it is successfully installed, then you just go back, connect your Wi-Fi or mobile network. Once you're done connecting your Wi-Fi, just open up Google Play services and add your account. And now I have successfully added my account and everything seems to be working fine on Play Store. So guys, this was all about installing Android P on OnePlus 5 and few other devices which I'll mention in the description below. You can check it out whether your device is being supported or not. And if you have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.